We're a group of real estate agents specializing in Southern California investment real estate. My name is Michael Sachs. We have a really cool new listing here. It's a retail property located on a busy street in Anaheim in Orange County in Southern California. This area has wonderful fundamentals for a property like this. The tenants that are in place are a market and a laundromat. Both have been in the property for a long period of time, and both have leases that will keep them there for a long period of time. So it's a very stable asset. It has great income in place. The leases have built-in annual increases. So the investor who buys this property can rely on a residual income that will be stable for years to come. In addition to this, the property is located adjacent to a hospital and urgent center. So it caters to the professionals in the medical around the property, and then behind the building is a very nice neighborhood of single-family homes where people use the market and the laundromat for their daily needs. I'd love to answer any more questions you have. You can call me at 949-887-9971, or you can check out our website. Thanks.